Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Chii
And I'm Tarie,
and we are Afro-Nomads. Anyway, so as you guys have noticed, we've been doing things a little bit different on our channel, obviously, because we can't travel
right now.
but I think when we always travel, a huge part of our travels is always the food that we eat. So we're introducing, I guess, cooking on our channel. So we'll be trying out different dishes from the places that we've been to, and also other just other countries, right? Yeah. So we're looking forward to this. But today we're just gonna do something that's simple and fun. And from next week onwards, we'll be doing different dishes from different countries. So hopefully you guys enjoy this. A new segment of our channel, I guess we could call it that. But anyway, before we do that, we're not dressed, so let's get dressed. Perfect. Okay, so what are we making today? So today we're going to make chicken barbecue wings.
Yes.
Chicken barbecue wings, and we're also going to make sweet potato fries. Like wedges, fries, whatever. So we hope you guys will enjoy it, and we hope you guys enjoyed the content
And try it out. If you do try it out, please tag us on Instagram, wherever.
So I hope you guys are going to enjoy this video. Let's get to it. So now we're going to mix the chicken and the flour and the cornstarch so that we can make our mixture for the chicken wings. So this is the chicken, we have the flour here, and some cornstarch and some spices. So let's get to that. Okay guys, so next up I'm going to start prepping my sweet potato, and what you need is obviously the sweet potato, some paprika, and some mixed herbs. You can use dry herbs, but we are going to use fresh herbs just to add a little bit of more flavor, And you're going to need salt and pepper, of course, and your oil. That's what we're going to do. So watch me prep.
Okay, so we're done cooking and we just want to taste what we cooked, right?
Can't wait.
Can't wait. So what are we starting with?
I'm gonna go with the sweet potato fries first. So yum. And they're not drenched in oil because we bake them instead of like frying them, so they're really, really nice. So good. Some lemon. You can also have it deep for these fries. It's so good. Yum 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 yum. Yum. Next up, what I'm gonna try. The chili. Ah, so good, man. I'm gonna go in with the.
They're so crunchy and they're soft inside, which is really good.
So much moist. Yo, bro.
So good.
Yum, 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 yum. Okay guys, so we're gonna finish eating up. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please hit the thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. And yeah, we'll see you on the next video. Peace.